Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Johnson. Happy to be here today giving my testimonial about nanos. I'm a doctor who specializes in preventive medicine and cardiovascular disease prevention. So much of what I do is focused on promoting healthy lifestyles and helping people to reduce risk factors for heart disease and cancer primarily. So a lot of that has to do with just very common sense sort of behaviors. Eating right, exercising, reducing the amount of stress in your life. I have very much a passion for what I do, but I don't always practice what I preach, and I've not done the best to sort of manage a heart healthy diet, and was looking for alternatives, and met Alyssa and found out about the nanos, and so decided that that made a lot of sense. A lot of what we preach in the work that we do as far as nutrition is concerned is initially there were National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute guidelines around 5 a day, 5 fruits and vegetables a day, which is actually 9 a day now. And a lot of people will argue that it's impossible for them to consume either 5 or certainly 9 fruits and vegetables a day, which it really isn't, but if it was in a convenient form, it would be nice. So when I was introduced to the nanos, I thought just personally, as well as professionally, this might be a nice product to try, and I do like to test things first on myself as sort of the human guinea pig to see how it works. And so and I've been taking nanos now for probably about 60 days or something like that, maybe a little more. I have not only sort of subjectively been monitoring how I feel and my energy level, which has improved, my sleep has improved, my anxiety is reduced, certainly haven't had any weight gain from it, and feel a lot more energy. That's sort of how I'm feeling. But as far as indicators are concerned, my total cholesterol was over 300, and I have been taking Vytorin for quite a few years now, which has been able to bring my total cholesterol down in acceptable ranges, just under 200. But since I've been on the nanos, about a month ago, I had my blood cholesterol done again, and my total cholesterol was 150, which is outstanding. It's never been that low, but certainly that's a major factor because I really haven't changed my diet. I really haven't changed the amount that I exercise, but I have changed that. In addition, I take an antihypertensive medication because of the history of hypertension in my family, and I monitor my blood pressure on a regular basis, and I've noticed my blood pressure drop. It's usually been very much borderline at around 130 to 140 over 90 or 80, and over the last month and a half, my blood pressure has been down around 118 over 60, 65. So, and that's been pretty consistent. So that's surprising as well. It's a good product, and I feel better each day I take it. Basically, my routine is I wake up in the morning and do the nanos first thing when I get up. I usually in the afternoon, around 2 or 3, I'll do some nanos again, and that's actually sort of given me a nice little boost in the afternoon. So certainly a product that I would recommend to anyone who would like to certainly improve their fruit and vegetable consumption and just overall feel better.